lucky I gave up my career as a cougar already. Yeah, I've just gone through a really bad breakup. I had to ditch carbs. They're taking it pretty hard. Yeah, at this point, though, the shit I would do for a Klondike bar would make a really epic episode of CSI, SVU, any one of those shows. It's getting kind of bad. 55 pounds gone, though. Woo! It's getting to that point where, guys who wouldn't give me the time of day before come up and said, hey, you're looking pretty good. Part of me wanted to say, fuck off. And the other part of me was kind of hoping I'd get lucky, so I thought I'd hear him out. I'm like, yeah, I am looking pretty good. So he says, what's the goal? Another 50? I went with fuck off. Yeah. But I am a plus-sized woman, but I can't call myself that anymore even, because Kmart went and rebranded their plus-size department, and now they've decided that women my size are fabulously sized. No, for fuck's sakes. It's like they didn't ask me. It's like, who could be offended by plus? That means more of me to love, more cushion for the pushing, as the old farts say. They could even call it pink Vespa scooter size, because we're fun to ride as long as your friends don't see you. It's like, yeah, just give me, pants that'll cover my ass. Kmart, you paragon of high fashion and style, you. God damn it. It's like, at my size, I usually get dressed as quickly as I can because I really don't want to see anything I can't unsee. But the other day I thought, I'm going to have a good look. I stripped down naked, got in front of the mirror, then I check out all the angles. I guess I can't go back to that Kmart anymore anyway. Fuck Kmart. I'm going to go to Walmart to feel pretty from now on. They don't even care if you wear pants. Like, they sell plus-size skinny jeans there, which are an oxymoron that I was, not even really tempted to try, but, it was like the world's biggest muffin top. And the inability to even, I gave it up. I'm no hipster. Makes me wonder, when I was at Dempsey's the other night, I had never seen so many bearded men in skinny jeans before in my life. And I just really wanted to go up to one of them and ask that question that, all we women are going to want to know, how? So, do you tuck it? Are you just naturally not gifted? You're growing all the hair on your face, that you've developed a vagina and you have I don't understand, but I kind of wanted them to laugh at the rest of my jokes, so I left the question unanswered. It's like, So going to Walmart, I'm still pissed off because I got called sir there. 40 pounds of tits and they call me sir. So I went shopping for some red lipstick pronto that day, and then I got to thinking, browsing the Maybelline, and come to think of it, red lipstick and 40 pounds of tits just doesn't set you apart from the men in Walmart enough that it would really be worth it. Like guys my own age, they're all like balding. They got that 9-month beer belly with that no fat chicks t-shirt stretched across it. Haven't seen their own dicks since 1987. It's like, I'm kind of looking for a 20-year-old skinny nymphomaniac virgin who can cook. Like, yeah, right, buddy. They think I'm a little bit chunky. But, they're not so much, they're not going to friend zone you. They'll, like, second or third cousin zone you. They'll still fuck you, but it gets awkward afterwards. It's like family reunions or where men my age go to pick up chicks. I always dated older men, but now at my age, there just aren't that many of them left. It's like you find one that's not looking for that 20-year-old. You throw them down, go to get a little bit nasty, and you set their life alert off. It's just a little awkward to finish the job with the paramedics watching too. It kind of kills the mood. Yeah. It's like, it was either that or become a cougar. I was thinking that would be pretty good exercise. It's like, but I wanted to make my own cougar size exercise video, but in my head it kept coming out more like a wildlife show. There we have a rather large specimen of the common North American lounge cougar. She's stalking her prey. See a brolope at the watering hole. Ooh, they're off. She might be big, but she's wily. She set a trap. Cheap beer, lowered standards, and last call for alcohol. Oh, and they're off. Oh, she brought him down, poor little feller. Like, and then not only that, but in my head, it's narrated by Chris Hansen from Dateline NBC. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to have a seat over here? I'm going to rethink that whole exercise cougar thing, but yet here I am at the Pickled Parrot on a Wednesday. Let's hear it for our host, Party Dude.
You're lucky I have a Tanner. I'd kick you in the balls. Just kidding. You tuck?
I tuck.
Okay, I guess see if I can shop some Target for skinny jeans. All right, coming up.